Hello everyone, today we will discuss about eye. We know that eye is a very important part of our life, including our body. So first of all we discuss about eye definition, and then we discuss part of eye and shape, size, location and structure of eyes also. So let's start. First of all, definition of eye. Eye is the specialized light sense organ capable of receiving visual image. That means it is a sense organ. And which sense organ? Light sense organ. We know that in our body five type of sense organ are found. In which one of the light sense organ? That is called our eyes. So that is a definition. And the shape of our eyes, that is almost spherical, not totally spherical, that is a shape of spherical. And our eyes somewhere is oval shape structure, that is our eyes. And size of our eyes is 2.5 centimeter or 25 mm. And location of our eyes, we know that in which our body, every part of our body is located is a specific place, and it is so eye is located eye socket, and it is hollow cavity socket, that is location of eye. So then we discuss about the layer of eye. We know that eye made up of three layers. First, outer layers, middle layers and inner layers. We know that outer layers also called cornea. In some time we discuss about in figure also in visual to cornea. And middle layer is ciliary body and lens content layer, and it also contain blood vessels, because of in middle layer blood vessels are found. Due to the presence of blood vessels, the middle layer colored is highly chocolatey color. And then we discuss about the inner layer, that is located it in inner layer location of retina is found, and it is also called nervous tissue because it have nervous cells are found. Then last things is part of eye. We know that eye have several parts, for example sclera, cornea, ciliary body, lens, pupil, iris and retina. So one by one discuss about sclera. Is a white part of our eyes. We know that eye have broad area is white, then white part of our eye is called sclera. And cornea is a transparent and convex, it is a transparent and convex part of our eyes, that is a part of sclera, but not like a sclera, because sclera is hard and cornea is very soft. So and ciliary body hold lens is hanging and holded by the ciliary body, and it is only one function. And lens function is a reflection of light only. And pupil and iris combine together to decide to entry amount of light how much. And iris also colored part of eyes. We know that every human and animals also their eye is a different color. For example, a man eye is blue color. Then what we decided, their eye is blue? Not completely eye is blue, their iris, only iris is colored part of eye. Then their iris is blue, their iris is brown, so many part of iris. And finally and last part of eye is retina. So retina is a image formation part, and that is due to the two type of cells that is a present of retina. First is rod and second is cones. So rod no, and as a name rod is rod shape structure, and as a name of cone is a cone shape structure. So rod work in night time because it cannot be defining color, and cone is also defining color, it work in daytime, it visualize thing in any color, but the rod cannot be defining any color. So we can discuss our image, and that is a diagram of a simple eye. So it is we can see that a ball like structure, a hollow cavity in inner side of first layer it is, and that is the second, and that is the third. First layer of eye is a pink color I draw, and the front of that is called sclera, and sclera's front of we can see the transparent part of eye that is able to the first, and it protection of eye and foreign injury and foreign particle to enter into the eye. So that is called cornea. Just behind the cornea, a colored part we discuss about previous. So that is iris. Iris is a here, that is a color part of our eye. And then just behind the iris a aperture is found, a hollow aperture is found, that is called pupil. Pupil decided the how many light enter into the eye, and iris also to, so we can say that iris pupil combination to decided how much light enter into the eye. And then just behind the iris a lens is found and hang through the ciliary body. Ciliary body help into the cap catch to the lens and holded to the lens, and to and lens work as only work to the focusing the light into retina. So retina, it is the there is a image formation and formation of image, then retina formation of image, then visualize the image. So there is so many nervous cells are present to and blood vessels, then it carry to information and through the optic nerves into the brain, then there is a visualize our image. So and finally there is a vitreous humor. It is aquatic part of and look it is aqueous to protection of our eyes, and there is a other liquid part of our eye, that is aqueous humor, that is called aqueous humor. Aqueous humor. So it is a location between the iris and lens. It is soft, it becomes soft lens and to transparent our eye and injury to protection. So that is a structure of our eye. So thank you so much for watching.